FANUC America authorized system integrator StrongPoint Automation developed this automated palletizing system to utilize two FANUC M-410iC-185 robots for placement of multiple case configurations. Each robot is capable of handling 2 lines of product per robot for a total of 4 lines, and each case infeed is capable of feeding 20 cases per minute, depending on case and pallet pattern configurations. This particular installation required configurations for approximately 40 pallet patterns and multiple case sizes. The FANUC robots accomplish these excellent pallet rates through the use of bottom support, servo tool-based end-of-arm tools. These unique custom end-of-arm tools contain integrated FANUC servos that are fully programmable through the FANUC Teach pendant. The tooling's well-crafted design includes a stainless steel bottom support plate and a pneumatic hold-down plate, allowing for great versatility to handle a variety of different product types, including RSC cases, shrink wrap trays, display reed cases, and 2-piece shoebox-style cases. The FANUC robots also handle tier sheets and come available with a pallet pick option if required. Tier sheets are introduced to the system through a unique pallet tier sheet shuttling system to limit operator intervention and reduce downtime. The system is capable of handling 2 styles of pallets, which can be selected through the operation interface. Ease of use features for the system include an Allen Bradley PLC and interface through which pallet label information is entered or tied into the resident PLC database. The completed pallet is tagged with this data and tracked until completion. Pallet data is tracked through the system and the correct pallet label is applied. The system requires only a single operator for removal of full pallets and replenishment of tier sheets. It also features Ethernet communication throughout and an integrated Phoenix stretch wrapper and Domino label printer. For this and more, from FANUC America authorized system integrator StrongPoint Automation, please visit strongpointautomation.com.